Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome to Semarang City. My name is Hana Ramadhani. You can call me Hana. I am a representative of Delta Tour and Travel and will be your local guide while in Semarang. How are you guys? Are you okay? Okay, next is our driver, Mr. Arif, and our co-driver, Mr. Bhakti, that will take us around the city of Semarang. Ladies and gentlemen, today we will start the journey starting from the PO Hotel, then continue with a tour of the Buddha Gaya Vihara, lunch and rest at Kezia Coffee and Garden, continue relaxing at Simpang 5, then head to Kota Lama to see the view. Dutch house dinner at the Ikan Bakar Cianjur restaurant, then rest at the PO Hotel. No, we will go to the Buddha Gaya Vihara Semarang tour, and later we will pass Lawang Sewu and Tugu Muda Semarang. According to Javanese terms, Lawang means door, and Sewu means thousand, or is a word that represents the large number. Lawang Sewu apparently does not have 1,000 doors. The original number of doors this building had was 928 doors. This meaning that this building has 72 doors. Less if it has to be adjusted to its name. Built using orange ceramic bricks. At that time, bricks themselves were a symbol of wealth, property, and the highest cost. Bricks were a rare and expensive building material at the time. Then there is the Youth Monument. Tugu Muda is a monument created to commemorate the service of the heroes who died in the 5-day battle in Semarang. This monument was built as a memorial to Indonesian fighters in defending independence, and I know as the 5-day battle in Semarang on the 15th to the 21st of October 1945. So, next we will soon arrive at Buddha Gaya Vihara. Buddha Gaya Watugong Vihara, or also known as Buddha Gaya Vihara, is a place of worship for Buddhists, located in Pudak Payung, Banyumanik, Semarang. The Buddha Gaya Watugong Vihara complex consists of two main buildings, namely the Avalokitesvara and Dhammasala Buddha, as well as several other buildings. Please comply with exiting regulation. Please bring valuable personal items because losing anything is not our responsibility as the travel agent. Our time at Buddha Gaya Vihara is from 9 to 30 minutes past 12. Please gather at the appointment time, namely at 12 o'clock in front of the available bus parking area. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we will continue our lunch at Kezia Coffee and Garden. We will pass the Benang Raja shop, which provides various types of pati and their vendors. One of Semarang is typical souvenir that will never be forgotten. We have almost arrived at Kezia Coffee and Garden, a restaurant that provides several delicious Indonesian food menus. Please come down slowly, have lunch and rest for a while from 12:30 minutes to 13:30 minutes. Then meet directly on the bus, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's continue our journey together. Check our personal baggage, whether it is the complete or not. If yes, let's continue our journey, which will pass through Semarang State Universitas, as are commonly called UNES, which is a state university that focuses on teacher education, which was previously called IKIP. Semarang began with the establishment of various teacher education institutions above the secondary school level. Apart from that, UNES is included in the top 10 best university in Indonesia. Apart from producing quality teacher, UNES also produces judges, journalists, entrepreneur, lawyer, translator, technical, engineering, and many others. Fields mastered by UNES alumni. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, soon we will arrive at Simpang Lima. Simpang Lima Semarang is a field in the center of Semarang city. This field is also called the Pancasila field. Apart from enjoying the view of the park in the middle of the city, we can also go around tasting the culinary delight here. There is also a mall across the street which you can visit. Please take turn coming down. We will turn from 10 minutes past 14 to 30 minutes past 16 and meet at the bus at 30 minutes past 16. Thank you. One district we visit the Old Town Museum. The Semarang Old City Museum displays the history of Semarang City and exhibit objects from the past, a legacy of the Dutch colonial period since 1547. This museum is an interesting historical tourist destination for visitors. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have almost arrived at the old city of Semarang. This tourist spot has the nickname Little Netherlands, an area in Semarang which is a trade center. At the time, to protect the popularity and territory, a fort was built in the area, which was named Vijay Fort. This area is called Kota Lama because the buildings in the area have an architectural style. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the Kota Lama Semarang. You can walk around, take photos, and look for culinary delight here. Here we go from exactly 17 o'clock to exactly 19 o'clock. So, at 19, you have to meet at the bus parking area available, ladies and gentlemen. We will immediately continue our journey to the Ikan Bakar Cianjur restaurant, and we will pass Taman Sri Gunting. Sri Gunting Park was once a village area used as a place for dead soldiers to march. This park is located in the middle of the Kota Lama, Princely, near the Marble Building and Immanuel Church. So now we will arrive at the Ikan Bakar Cianjur restaurant. Restaurant serving a variety of seafood, which is processed into typical Indonesian food. We're here from 20 past 9 until 30 minutes past 9, so you can have dinner and enjoy the live music available. So, after dinner last night, we continue our final journey, namely the PO Hotel. This time, we pass Jalan Pemuda. Pemuda Street is one of the main roads in Semarang City, Central Java Province. Jalan Pemuda Street from the Berok Bridge, Kota Lama Semarang to the Tugu Muda area. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the PO Hotel. Please check your baggage if there is anything left behind. Thank you for traveling around Semarang with us. Have a good rest and see you again. Bye.